The 2016 MacBook has a flawed design. Over time, opening and closing the lid causes the internal wirings to abrade and the screen to go dead. Replacing the original hinge and screen from a 2016 MacBook is a pricey repair and replacement, but this is an inexpensive option, a 15.5-inch portable LCD screen from M&N. So, this is my wife's 2016 vintage MacBook Pro, and it is a pretty good workhorse of a computer, even though it's 8 years old. But one of the problems that Apple created for themselves with the 2016 and a couple of other vintages of MacBook Pro is that they cut some corners in terms of engineering, trying to get this thing as small, as lightweight, and as thin as it is. And one of the issues with the 2016 is in the hinge. The way they designed the hinge mechanism, over time the wiring underneath the hinge starts to rub against itself and cause failures and other faults. One of them is that over time, now that if you open up the hinge beyond a certain angle, like this one, if I opened up any more, the screen turns off. And I can show you here, the screen is on, but if I open this up, there you go, turns itself off. And that is a problem that plagues 2016 vintage Macs. So I'm just gonna try to, there we go, it's back on again. Alright, so as you can see here, that's an issue with this Mac. So what we're gonna try to do, because if you open this up all the way, it turns itself off. But the computer is still on, it's just the screen is not on. So this is the M&N M156F01 portable monitor. I know that is a mouthful, but that is what it is, the M156. And we're going to take a look at what you get in the box here. Alright, so we have a quick start guide. We do have a full manual here, so definitely read your manual before you start using any accessory or product. Let's take a look at this monitor here. The monitor, this is the USB to USB-A, this is USB to USB-C, and an HDMI cable, and a USB power adapter. So those are the extra cables that you get on this. Alright, now this monitor comes with its own case. This one's a gray one with a little bit of a pattern to it. And let's see here. User guide. It even gives you a quick start guide in the screen cover, but make sure you take that screen cover off. And this is your monitor itself. Relatively thin. This side has a brightness toggle, on and off button there, and a headphone jack. And on the other side we have the HDMI mini and two USB-C ports, and this, along with the duplicate on the other side, is the speaker vent. And this is a little rubber pads for the bottom here, and those are the different parts of it. And I suppose these screws are if you ever need to put this onto a stand, though it does not come with a stand. So we have our MacBook Pro, and we have our M&N, and we just plug in the USB to USB-C cable for the Mac, and it powers on the unit. And oh, there we go. It found the unit and figured things out. Now let's just see where is the mouse here. Okay, we have a mouse. Let's go to our system prefs to displays. You know what it is? It's because this is probably an extended screen, so we're still gonna have to deal with the Mac's main screen. So I'm gonna close this up. Open it again. we go. And then I just have to... Alright, so there we go. There's the display. You open up displays in System Prefs, and what it does is it automatically defaults and places the MNN or whatever display that you plug into it as an extended display. So this is the main screen, your extended display. So what you want to do is, there we go. Go to display settings, select your MNN display, and instead of extended display, set it for mirror. Alright, and as you can see here, it's mirroring what this display is over here. And the reason you want to do that is because when you open this up to a usable angle, the screen will turn off like it does with these older 2016 MacBooks. But now, as you can see here, I have a working display, a workable display. Oh, there we go. And I could just work off of this. So there you go. A perfectly working solution using a MNN LCD display, which costs less than $100. At least I got it for less than $100 on Amazon. And this is much cheaper than getting this screen replaced over at the Genius Bar or a third-party repair shop, because I got a quote on this. To replace this and fix that hinge issue, going to cost about $250 to $300, which is practically the cost of buying a used 2016 MacBook at around $300 to $400. So yeah, it was not cost effective to get this screen replaced. Much easier to just get this MNN display. So it does work. Well, there you go. The MNN display works quite fine. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll include product links as well as more information in my full written review on moondogindustries.com, and I'll include links in this video's description. And if you got something out of this video, please hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. All you're doing is letting the algorithm know that this is good content, this is useful content, that you would like to see more videos from my channel, and that's all it is. It's absolutely free. So thanks for doing that. You be safe out there. Moondog out. Hey, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment or chat with me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, MeWe, Instagram, or Locals. And if you want to see all of my videos, go to moondogindustries.com.